We use this phrase to talk about a noun that is ours. This is my noun. The noun belongs to me. This is my apple. The apple belongs to me. Let's look at some examples. This is my book. This is my pencil. This is my cat. Now, hold an object that you own and say, "This is my," and the name of the thing that you're holding. You have 5 seconds to choose the answer. If I hold my cat, I would say, "This is my cat." If I hold my pencil, I would say, "This is my pencil." If I hold my book, I would say, "This is my book." If I hold my phone, I would say, "This is my phone."